So I'm going to show you how to set up or how to pair your Fitbit Air with an Android phone. Now this is very simple. As soon as you take it out of the box, simply connect a charger to the watch so that you make sure it's on. And then now you can go to the Google Health app on your Android phone. So if you don't have the Google Health app, simply go to the Google Play Store and have it installed. Anyway, once you launch the Health app, so this is going to be the homepage for your Health app. So what you need to do is go to the top left corner and tap on devices, and on the devices page select the first option that says connect a Pixel or a Fitbit smartwatch or tracker. So tap on that and then select your device. Mine is going to be the Fitbit Air. I'm going to select it, and then you can see the option to start setup. So I'm going to tap on that, and then it says connect Fitbit Air to the Google Health app. Tap on agree, and then it says power up and let's get started. So connect your charger if you haven't, so make sure it's charging, and then once you've connected the charger, tap on continue. So it's gonna try and find your Fitbit. Of course, you have to allow permission to find nearby devices. And now it's searching for the Fitbit Air, and it's connected. You'll even hear or feel it vibrating. So now it's connecting. There you go. So it's gonna be a Bluetooth pairing request. Just tap on pair, and then it says allow the app health to access Google Fitbit Air. So I'm gonna allow, hit continue, and then of course for location services, for now you can choose while using the app. But of course, next time you can say allow all the time, especially if you want to track activities that involve distance and speed. So if you don't want to track those, then you can leave it on only while using the app. But if you want to track those, then you can simply select allow all the time. So you're able to track things like cycling, jogging, and stuff like that. And it's able to track distance by getting your GPS data from the phone. Anyway, once you select that, hit back, and then you can see your limited warranty information if you want to, and then hit continue. And that's it. The Fitbit Air is ready. You can simply go and read all this stuff to kind of teach you how to use your Fitbit. And then once you're done, go back to the home page. So to confirm your Fitbit Air is connected and ready to go, tap on device and you should see your Fitbit Air right there. You can see it's connected. You can even see the battery percentage, and it's actually synchronizing your data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.